It's a nice weather. And you know what? When I speak English, I really feel good. Yes, I really, really feel so happy when I speak in English, because speaking in English is something that I I always die for this. Whenever I do something in the kitchen or when I talk with someone, I just feel like speaking in English. But this thing doesn't come naturally. When you don't talk with those people who are not indulged, who are not habituated of speaking English, and sometimes it just happens when you feel like talking something in English, but then again you feel that no, you cannot speak in English. Okay. Now, today I want to share something that is so personal actually. So today I was seeing an album. So in that album, there were so many photos of my son, my sister-in-law, elder sister-in-law, my younger sister-in-law. So when we see those photos, we literally, uh, you know, uh, we just get disappear in those photos. We we keep on thinking about those memories, those past things that used to happen. I mean that happened so earlier, and when we see those things, we just start thinking about those things, and we start thinking about those happenings. Yeah. So, why this happened? Because we are related to each other. When we see each other's photos, we actually relate to that person. That yes, this person is so good because this person talks to me in a nice way. When you talk with another person in a not in a same manner, then of course that person will not get connected to you, because of course you have not provided that kind of bond with that person. Because how you can connect with that person, of course through your behavior. When your behavior is nice, when your behavior is when your behavior is super, like you are so good, you think about other people, you care for other people, uh, you do for other people, then that behavior always, you know people just see your behavior. people actually people actually understand through your behavior. If your behavior is nice, if what you do with your loved ones, that is also very important, because people actually analyze your character through your behavior. The way you talk with your loved ones, the way you care for your loved ones, the way you uh, do little things for your loved ones, that matters actually. So why does this happen, that we do the particular thing for our loved ones, and when we have to do some particular things for another person, then we start thinking about in another way? Why does this happen? Because we have that kind of a mindset that okay, this is a stranger, I have to tackle with that person in a different manner. Okay, somewhere it is okay, but not all the time. Like, uh, you know if there is a stranger and he or she just want to talk to you in a nice way, they actually doesn't don't have expectations from you that you will give some money or you will give some jewelry to another person. Of course you're not going to give them, right? And they are not even expecting those things from you. Of course there are many greedy people, I can understand that thing, but yes, I'm not one of those. So what I used to expect from my loved ones was that they must talk to me in a nice way, in a good way, because I really like it. Yeah, I don't expect anything from any person except good things. the way they talk to me, because what matters to me is just their good talks. Good talks just matters to me only. And this only thing is a great thing, is a very precious thing for me, because whatever I have seen in this world, whatever I have experienced in my life, I have observed and I have noticed that the moment you talk with another person in a great way, you know, that shows your actual nature, that shows your actual behavior, how you tackle with another person and how you tackle with your loved ones, and how you balance both life. Because uh, there are very less people who think about other people, who think about other person. But yes, whoever just think about other people, they are very, very, very incredible, because they know the real phenomenon of life. They know the real uh, fact of life, where they can achieve just through behave. They can achieve good things. They can achieve values from other people through their behavior. What is behavior? It is nothing, just to talk in a great manner, in a good manner, in a beautiful manner. You just have to talk with that person in a nice way. You're not going to give anyone anything. They are not even expecting anything, not even a good dress, not even a good jewelry, nothing, not even money. They are expecting good talks only. So yes, whenever you talk with your loved ones or with stranger, make sure how you're talking, because your communication, your just only and only your communication will decide your future, how you are going to lead your future, because it totally based on your behavior, how you behave with your family members, how you behave with your loved ones, how you behave with another people like strangers. Yeah, with this note, I just want to say that sometimes we dwell in the past, right? But yes, there are some good talks. Whenever we think about that, we start cherish about those moments. And when we think about bad things, right? So of course we feel bad. We sometimes get hurt, but there are no such thing that we need to always need to dwell in the past. No need of doing that, right? Think about your present, think about your future. Your future is just depend on uh, how you actually taking care of your present. And your present is telling you that, hey, you are here, you have to work on your communication, how you talk with your loved ones, your friends, with your strangers, with every person, whoever is there. Just let them know that you are a good human being. You actually do care for people. You actually do care for your loved ones, for your family members. You actually do care for strangers as well, because a good human being actually knows the humanity. Yeah, humanity comes when we think about other person, right? In the same manner, the way we think about our loved ones. So humanity always comes. What you need to think about is how you actually talk with another person. When it comes to talk, when it comes to represent yourself, when it comes to help someone through your talks, through your motivational talks, that matters. When you give someone that kind of happiness, I mean, if someone wants to talk to you, it's just because of your behavior. Your behavior is that, the way you talk, the way you motivate someone through your talks. Yeah, I think I have made this video so long, but what I want to tell you is that you just need to be a good human being, and being a good human being is uh, it's quite a challenging task. Are you ready to be a good human being? If yes, then please let me know in the comment section. Till then, keep shining, keep speaking in English, and yes, be a good human being.